Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give you this Egyptian inspired look using the Juvia palettes and the Juvia loose highlighter palette. This one is the Nubia. Like I told y'all in my last Face Beat Friday video, I will be giving you 4 videos on each of the new loose highlighter pigments, and today is the Nubia. Alright, so let's jump on in. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and hit the like button, and let's do it. Okay, so like most of y'all know that I use MAC Laying Low Paint Pot to do my base for my eyes. But today I'm actually going to use Lancome La Base in the color CN for my eyes for this particular look. And then I'm going to go back and use the Laying Low Paint Pot by MAC to do my cut crease. So that's just going to be something a little different that I'm doing to this look than I normally do. Alright, jumping back in. Alright, so I have already reviewed the Royalty One Loose Powder by Juvia. Today I'm going to be using Nubia, the Nubian by Juvia, to do this Egyptian inspired cut crease. And y'all already know how much I love Juvia, so I wanted to let y'all know I'm going to be using this just like in the last video, tutorial, review, whatever you want to call it. Just like in that one, I'm going to use this a few different ways. So I've already set my eyes and all that good stuff. So now I'm going to use this loose powder to cut crease the rest of this look. Alright, let's get it. Alright, you guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this look. Again, I used the Nubia Loose Highlighters by Juvia. This is the second video of the 4 that's going to be coming, so make sure y'all are on the lookout every Face Beat Friday so that you can see a new beat, honey, guys. And I will see y'all next week. Peace.